The complete package. It's more than being able to take an order. 1. Basic knowledge. This is why you're here. Your ability to familiarize yourself with the menu and sell it. You can think you are the greatest server in the world, but if you lack in any of the following aspects of the complete package, you will not last here. 2. Communication. Let chefs know when things are in low supply, needs list. Days off and knowing where items you need are. Safety issues and equipment problems. You are the line between success and failure is not an option. 3. Organization. Is relaxation. A well-tuned, stocked and clean station is the start of a successful shift. Elimination of clutter and non-essential stuff makes your work flow. 4. Following direction. There is a reason why your car only has one steering wheel. If everyone could steer, the car would not go anywhere. Hence the chef or manager has the wheel. However, we are not blind to the possibility that there are better ways to do things. That being said, until we are convinced, let go of the wheel and do what and how you are shown. 5. Attitude. A good attitude and willingness to learn and assimilate trump a well-seasoned server who thinks they know it all. 6. Sanitation. Technically the most important aspect of your job. Food is a loaded gun. If handled correctly, with respect, it is all that is good. If not respected and or mishandled, it can kill. If not physically, business-wise. Much attention will be paid to this area. 7. Ownership. We are all adults and will be treated as such. The condition of your is a direct reflection of your ability to have ownership in your station. Readiness, organization and sanitation are all part of ownership. 8. Time management. You are here for the amount of time needed to satisfy a shift's needs. Anywhere from 6 to 12 hours depending on business. 9. Teamwork. Each employee is directly dependent on any and all other stations. Teamwork is what is needed so food gets to the table in a timely manner together with all condiments and details. 10. Creativity. We want to keep the menu vibrant and fresh. Feel free to experiment and bring your ideas to the attention of the chef. These are some steps to help you in the workplace. If you have any questions, please contact your manager.